Compound clip. Now we will move to the third part of this video. In this section, we will explore the features of the compound clip. First, I'll drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Then I will show you the first benefit of using the compound clip feature. I'll go to the Text tab and click on the text template. Here, you can choose any text template according to your preference. I select this one and drag and drop it onto the timeline. Double-click on it to access the editing options and go to the editing panel. You'll notice that the animation tab is not available. However, after converting this text layer into a compound clip, the animation tab will appear. So, let's go to the timeline, right-click on this text layer, and select Compound Clip. Then, go to the editing panel, and you will see the animation tab is now available. Click on it to add any animation to your video. For example, I select this one and click on it. Then, go to the Out tab, select this one, and click on it. After that, you can see that I have successfully added both in and out animations to this video. Now let's try this feature with the help of effects. First, drag and drop another video onto the B-roll track. Then, go to the Effects tab on the top left side. I select this effect and drag and drop it onto the C-roll track. Now you can see this effect is applied to all of the layers. But after creating a compound clip, it will only apply to a specific track. Go to the timeline, select the B or C-roll track, right-click on it, and choose Create Compound Clip. Then, I'll add the mask to it. After that, you can see this effect is applied to the single video. Now let's try this feature with basic changes in the video clips. I'll add the second video clip onto the B-roll track. Then go to the Adjustment tab on the top left side. Drag and drop the adjustment layer onto the C-roll track and make some changes to this layer. Then, I'll add the mask to it. You can see this adjustment is applied to all of the layers. But after creating a compound clip, this adjustment is only applied to a specific video. Go to the timeline, select the B or C-roll track, right-click on it, and choose Compound Clip. Then, I'll add a mask to it. After that, you can see this adjustment is applied to a single video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.